LinkedIn is more related with career and with opportunity to find a job or to work in any company you want by sending your CV for everyone and the LinkedIn. Okay, so first of all, we have to make an introduction. So what is LinkedIn? Okay, so we have to identify LinkedIn. So as you know that LinkedIn is an online network for business professional. Okay, also it's including for students. So it's different than other social network sites, as I said, because it's designed specifically for professional networking and also finding a job, discovering sales lead, and connecting with potential business partners. So as we know, according to the previous accounts and literature, they believe that 93% of recruiters are using LinkedIn to find their future employees. So this also available in any country and any company. If it's want to find an employees, they can search on LinkedIn. So that's mean if you create on LinkedIn, that's mean you will have a great opportunity and a great chance to to find a job faster. Okay, great. So also almost about 100 views of initial second applicant as well. So this is the idea about LinkedIn, and actually we will discuss more in details. Okay. Okay. So let's move on now. Sorry. Okay. So there is a question we have to understand. Why should college students be on LinkedIn? Okay. Why LinkedIn is so important? So first and foremost, it is to get a job. Okay. And also LinkedIn is not only for PhD students. It's also for bachelor, for master, and for all the students, both undergraduate and postgraduate as well. Okay, so and it's your job to make it easy for your reader to hire you. Okay, so and to do that, you need to tell them how you can do the work they need you to do. Okay, and what you have the characteristics of their ideal employees. And also we can say you will also grow your professional network. Okay, you will have a lot of friends and colleagues, and you will be popular on this social media and on this kind of social media, and will helping you. Maybe if you were already hired and you want to find another job for another company, it's just in one click. You can just use LinkedIn and promote yourself by asking or showing your CV and showing your details and professional skills and so on. Okay, so it is very positive online presence that may help you also for your future career and also for job search. Okay, great. So sometimes we have to understand how we create the impression, because there is a proverb saying that the most important thing in it's how you create the first impression, and the first impression is very important because the first impression it's what let other people admire you, okay, and will be attracting to you in a professional way. So you have to understand the priorities when you're using LinkedIn. So the priorities, it's divided for three. The top fold, okay, which is I will come talking in details. The summary, which is talking about yourself. You have to make a summary about yourself and explain in a professional way who you are and what you are do. Okay, and this is and what skills you have or the experience you have. So all these things that they can combine together and can attract and other companies to hire you, or even also universities if you are postgraduate and you want to be hired in university as well. And the most important thing, experiences, because the experience is also one of the most important thing for hiring. So when you're trying to doing the job descriptions, the most important thing it is experience. Okay, great. So right now let's move on. So if you start your great first impression with professional photo, okay, most important thing in LinkedIn you have to put in your mind, it is the photo, because photo it is the ID or the identification of you. So the photo here probably different from other social media. So it should be more professional and more formal. So you cannot take like selfie, for example, and put it as a photo in LinkedIn, because LinkedIn, it's not Facebook, okay? It's not Instagram. It is a professional website, professional social media. So it needs to be very professional as well. So research show that profile with picture are more like to be viewed, okay, and to potential connection than those with no picture. Okay, if you put your picture on the profile, you will recruit and you will attract the other companies or other colleagues from different job descriptions. So the image you present in your photo can communicate the credibility. Okay, credibility, that means you are not anonymous, you are not fake, you are true, and this is your real photo. So LinkedIn, it works in this way. So you have to use a professional headshot if possible. Okay, very great. So more, okay, for example, I just want to showing you the difference between the professional photo and the normal photo. Okay, so as you see on the left side here, you can see the professional photo for these two guys. Okay, they're wearing tuxedo and they have a small smile on their face, and also it is very formal, right? It looks very formal photo from the left side. And from the right side, you see this is kind not proportional. For example, this woman here, she looks, let's say, smiling, okay, but she's not wearing, like, it's not professional. And the same thing with this photo below, on the right side below, you see that he taking like a selfie. So these kind of photo are not favorable in LinkedIn. So you have to be careful when you put your photo. Okay, so up close, smiling, and light background are key elements for your LinkedIn profile picture. Okay, so you have to put that on your mind as well. Great. Okay, so now we have to how the headline should be worked here. Okay, so we have to make a differentiation between showcase your specialty. Okay, for example, as you see on the left side, there's Jane student, okay, and this John student on the left side. As you see, Jane, it is a mechanical engineering, okay, and he using also different. He is professional different aspects like manufacturing, new product design, and so on. And also on the left side, you see dining. This John is could like be like dining service supervisor in Michigan Technology University. So a detailed LinkedIn headline, you see, it is very critical. So it is increase your findability. What does mean findability? That mean others, they can find you easily by understanding your professional and your specialty as well. So let's say you are an engineer, okay, and you want to work in a company, or you want to work as a lecturer in university. So you have to put in your mind that the specialty, it's very important, or the atmosphere of your specialty is very important to do. And also creating your professional credibility and motivate your audience to keep reading the rest of your profile. Okay, this is also important. And in editing mode, you find simple hover over your current headline and utilizing the spaces as well in each detail in your website or in your profile. Okay, use keywords that effectively identify your expertise, focus, and experience. Okay, so most of there's many things is important when you write your summary. For example, some people they are very effective when they write the summary. They motivate the other and encouraging them to read more about you. So if you write just so plain text and very boring and long, this is will not attract other people to read more, and they will just leave you and find another person or another employees, another potential employees actually. Okay, very good. So let's say, for example, you see that in editing mode, as you see the pops of the next headline, they change your headline and check to see its look for each line. So let's say for this woman, as you see Jane, okay, she's a specialist in mechanical engineering, and she put the current, what she do, the previous, what she work was, and her education. So this way is very vital when you put it in front of your main screen or main profile or main page. Okay, so that will attract the other customers to helping you helping them to choosing you at the end. Okay, great. So so right now just we'll continue. Uh, okay, just a minute, please. Okay, so okay.
انتظر السيرفرات القادمة. عذري ما نزلتش حتى القصة زي الناس الآن نزل.
Okay, sorry for this. Okay, so let's go on. Let's continue. Okay, so how you compelling a compelling summary? How you have to do a compelling summary? So as we know that the summary is really your vital head shake or the or your personal introduction that you might have in face-to-face networking opportunity. So you want to use the same genius conversation voice that you would use if you were meeting someone over, let's say, coffee or personal and descriptive. So just tell your reader that you do, and maybe a little bit away. So there's a proverb say no selling, just telling. Okay. So what you have to say is just to make abbreviation or a summary, which is named a nutshell of what you are doing. So people they will not hear all your story. Okay, they will not hear how you've been hired or how you was working on the previous company or what you did. They don't looking for that. Okay, all you need is just to telling them what you are professional in, and that will helping them to decide if you are the suitable person to do so. Okay, great. Okay, so as you know, the first paragraph, it's also put a short summary, like including that you are looking for a job, okay, and how to contact you. So you have to put this in your mind when you're doing, okay. And at the same time, you find out. Let's say for example, I am a second year for this mechanical engineering student at Michigan, seeking for a summary in 2016. Please contact me at. You put your email and also you put your number. So the company, they can reach you easily by using the email, or they can call you or contact you. So you have to say that I want to work, okay? I want to be hired and work in your company, and to showing others that you are interested uh, to work, okay? Okay, great. So let's go on now. The second paragraph, you have to talk about previous more details on you. For example, you might want to start with your background of why you do what you do. Okay, why you are passionate about what you are studying, or without saying I am passionate. So you have to make a story. Okay, a story very interesting, very short, and very vital to effect on the readers, and that will be very a good way to hire you in a specific company. Okay. So also you have to make a third paragraph that, let's say, they follow up with what you are doing and you are passionate in. Let's say you describe and highlight the experiences that related to your industry. Okay, whatever you are working in enterprise, what course you're taking, and ensure you talk about also you worked on in the previous job. Okay, so the problem you were trying to solve, and what is the goals you are trying to achieve, and you challenge, and what is the results. When you put these three paragraphs in one summary, and it will be more vital and more effective on your readers. Okay. And in the fourth paragraph, also you can ask, you can put many things in the fourth paragraph, especially when you are talking about your skills, okay, your experiences that helping you to achieve your personal goals. What is your communications, the organizational, and the collaborative skills as well. So this is also, you have to put it in your mind. So the optional, this is the fifth paragraph, is optional. So if there is if you want to put it or not for more details, let's say, as you see below here, keywords, you can say I am passionate, hard worker, for example, and let's say you want to add other features you have. So when you put this in front of the reader, he will be interested more in you, and probably will contact you if for more details. Okay. So you have to add your resume in rich media and your summary section. So resume, which is called the CV. Okay. So most reader, as you know, that they cannot spend the time reading the full profile. They cannot read everything. So you have to put your resume, which is you want to download your resume before returning to the read more on your profile. Okay, because resume or the CV, it is a short for you for your professional and who you are. Okay. Okay, this is a summary. I just want to show you. I will not read it. Okay, it's not needed in detail. So you can put on your summary something like that. Okay, because you see that in the first glance here. Sorry, I am a mechanical engineering student, graduate in May 2015, looking for full-time employment. Okay, please contact me at, put your email and put your number. Okay. If you put this in front, the people, they will understand you are looking for a work. Okay, you are looking for a job. So that will equate and will attract other readers and other professional companies to hiring you. And you can put in details a frame talking about an injury, talking like a small summary. Okay, talking about you. And you say I grow in where I grow, what I did in the past, and also how I was doing in my school, in my also in my university. So also you have to put your previous work, what you did in the past, Did you work in another company before and you want to hire in a new one? So you have to put it also in summary. For example, here he say in the summary in 2014, I worked at Ford Motor Company. Okay, and he tell more in details here. And the same thing, saying this in more detail. Okay, this is the most important thing actually in LinkedIn to be attractive for others and for readers and companies as well. Okay, so remember your profile priorities. You have to understand, you have to be top fold, which is, as I said, you have to include your specialist and your professional photo. Okay, the second thing, it is the summary, which is I already showed to you. You have to put identifying yourself, who you are and what you love to do. Okay, and this last thing, it is the experiences. You have to put what you are professional in. Okay, what you can do. Can you use, let's say for example, Microsoft? Can you use other any software and any designing software designs and any other software that could also helping the others to record. Okay, that's great. So right now, I just finished my slides. So I will show you a summary, or let's say a sample of my profile that could be understanding in more details. Okay. So my profile. Okay. So sorry, I will stop the sharing right now. I will just showing you my profile on LinkedIn, so it will be helping you to understand more in detail what I just said. Okay, just to give me time to put all these in detail, so we can understand it in more. Okay, let's say more. Okay. Okay, so right now I will share my profile, so you will see it in detail. Okay, so as you see, this is LinkedIn. Okay, this is the website of LinkedIn. So as you see on the left side, this is my photo, my personal photo, and you can put background also for your profile, a nice background, so you can also attract your readers or the company you are. So for me right now, as you see, I am PhD student at the Manhattan International Business School, and this is the location I am in. You have to say Johor Bahru, Malaysia, and this is the university that I study in, University of Technology Malaysia. Okay, so this way you will attract more customers to follow you and understand you in more detail. Okay, so you have to put a professional photo, as we said, and put your full name and what you are doing or what you are doing right now. Okay, and also as you see on the right side here, this is the editing for each section. You can edit here and change the photos, change your name, your profession, and so on. Okay. And right now there's 470 connection. I have 470 let's say like friends or colleagues or professional in what you have to understand in business, and also and any other business company that understanding and working with the human resources or with education and lecture as well. Okay, so as you see here, the details. So here, as you see, about which is the summary. Okay, this is very important because when people come and companies want to see you, you have to understand and read about you. How they know? You have to put a summary like this. Okay. So the summary. Okay. This is my summary, and it's not very long, but it is a short summary. So as you see, I start talking about every brand has a story to tell, story that will not only engage, informs, inspire, delight, and impact their audience. Okay, and this is like a introduction. Okay, so what I do, and I am conduct between research and publication, because I am as a student and as a researcher. So this is what I do research and publication. Okay. So I said here, I help researchers and students to find subject and medium to best of their unique identity and the high quality. And I am studying, you have to put PhD in business administration at University of Technology Malaysia. My specialist is digital media, consumer behavior, brand awareness, and information sharing. Okay. So also, as you see that many others details. Let's say in 2017, 2018, this is my previous work. Okay. Oh, I can say I was holding MSc, which is Master in Marketing. And I said I worked as a lecturer in different universities in Iraq. My work was also features in management, marketing, and tourist management. Okay. So this is also a good way to identify yourself. So skills, the skills here is important. You have to put, or let's say it's kind of important. So I can using Microsoft Word, Office, NVivo, Mendeley, PLS Analysis, Force Viewer, and Bibliometric Visualization. These are the software I professional in. If I want to say like and to understand more about this. So you have to, if you have a project, I can help you. Please get in touch. Okay. I put this, for example, if there are students, okay, they want help to find a title, or they have an idea about their project and how they start their project or their research, I can helping them. So right now here, I am showing that I can help others to work with and to helping the students as well in the research field. So right now I am not working I am not working, or I am not interested to get employed, because at the meantime I'm still studying. Okay. So in the future, what I will do is I will add about, okay, I will do this, go to summary like that, and I will put more details. Okay. This way, let's say if I want to work to hired, I have to put I'm looking for a job, and that's way people will understand you more. Okay, so this is my dashboard. You see that people who view my profile, there's 11, post views 56, and search appearance is 5. This is the activity last time I did it, so it's also important to show it to you. See, this is the experiences. This is very important as well. As I told you, experiences is important. So first thing, as you see, I said I am a student at Manhattan, and I am a PhD graduate student. I worked as a lecturer from 2016 until 2017, and also I working in a company before and as accountant, and also I am external lecturer in University of Kufa. So this is also can be helping the readers to understand you have also previous experiences in your field. Okay. And after the experiences, there is very important thing. It is education. Okay. So for me, I graduate from University of Kufa. I took bachelor and MBA, or let's say MSc actually, in administration and management. And right now I'm studying in University of Technology Malaysia and studying PhD. Okay, this also you have to put it on your profile. Voluntary experience, probably not very important, but it's okay if you have a voluntary. Okay, For example, like now personal trainer, like a consultant and lecturer, or working as a secretary. Right now, as you know, I am working in ISS Iraq, International Student Society, so Iraq. So this is what I'm doing right now. So what I'm trying to say? You have to put all you details and all your current job or current things you do it. Okay, because this is important as well. And at the same time, you can say the skill and endorsement, not too much. I put just Microsoft Office, strategic planning, and customer service. And so the recommendation here, if you want a recommendation, I didn't add any recommendation. If you ask the recommendation, some things like related with your researcher or something. And also the accomplishment, this is also important part you have to put in your language, in your way. So for languages, I can speak Arabic, English, and Malay a little bit, and Chinese a little bit. So that probably will helping me also to explore myself to others. And you have to be honest, okay? You have don't add too many. I mean, you have to be very credible when you adding your details here. Okay, so publications. I have 2 papers I already published in Scopus. So this is a publication related with my work as well. I participate in Asian International Innovation Exhibition, which is held in 2020 on April. And the project I am working right now, this is my project. Okay, so as you see, this is the main profile or the main page of your profile. It is very vital, okay? It is very important to put it in your mind and to understand how you create your profile, and your LinkedIn profile should be very expert and to do it and in a professional way. Okay, so same thing. You can see on the right side here, the people also viewed. This is the people who saw my profile, and most of them, as you see, they are PhD researcher, see digital marketing. So you have to segmentate. You have to make a segmentation for your own work. Okay, this is also important to recruit any other workers and other companies or universities as well. And on the right side here, you can see there's many features, more features here. For example, home, that will send you to the main page. Okay, to the main page. Okay, this is our friend. Okay, Amariaso. He already participated his book, so we already I congratulate him. So it is very vital and very ambitious students. Okay, we wish to him best of luck. Okay, so I give a like for his participation and for his post. And you see more in details here, talking. You see, this is it's showing you like it is like a Facebook, right? So you see more details here is more related with the work, and anything related with many companies and many more details that to talk about the hirement and employment, and that will helping you a lot to do many other things and to understand the environment, the business environment that you work in. Okay, this is the main page. You can use it also. You can also you can use videos, photos, events, and you write article, anything you want to do. And here on the right side, you see that the follows here showing to you the you can follow add more feed for many other networks and many other profiles. Okay, and also today trend. This is also more details here. So this is the home page. It is helping you as well. And if you want to go here to my network, okay, my network, it's mean who people want to connecting me. Okay, see the people here let's say beyond this Taha, he want to connect with me. Okay, he want to connect with me. So I have to yes connect. Okay, and also there is also you see other professional professors working in different universities around the world. It will be also helpful to joining them and talk to them as well. And you see also a online event for you. This is also some events you can participate in and will helping you to introduce yourself as a professional. Okay, very great. There is another section here. As you see, this is job. You can also choose it to working for business. Okay, let's say you are right now already graduate, and you put here as you are a lecturer, for example, they are lecturer in marketing, and when you're doing lecture in marketing, it will give you a lot of job description for many universities or institution that could helping you. Okay, let's say for example, this is multimedia lecture. This is a company or an institution. Okay, and they offering, actually they're offering right now. It is available that if you want to apply in this job. So before you apply, you have to read details like job description. Okay, what you do, job description here in details, it's more in details, and you see that also the working hours, if it is suitable to you, you can work, and job type, and the salary. Also, some companies they don't put salary, so they're putting salary here. Okay, and also what is your senior level, and the employment type and job function. Let's say if you are interested in this, just use apply. Okay, when you press here, it will send you to the company. Okay, send you to the company profile, and telling you how you can apply in this business if you are interested in. Okay, so you can read here more in details, and you want to apply and send them your papers and so on. Okay, so we're not talking about this right now. I just want to showing you how you want to search for a job, for example. And also there is another company also in Johor Bahru, because it's dependent on the location and GPS. Like they want a teacher. Okay, let's check it. For example, okay, they want a teacher in these fields, engineering or mathematics or physics. Okay, and they put also here the job and the details as well. You can understand, you can read them in details as well. Okay, I just want to show you here that this is the way that you are looking for a job. Okay, you can post your experience level, your company, your job type you are looking for. It is very helpful way to find a job, and it is very interesting. Okay, and you can use this feature to helping you to hire. Okay, and also this is the notification, and if there are any new updates happen, you can follow here in details and so on. Okay, so I think that's all I have today, and I hope that was an introduction. That was an introduction of the LinkedIn. LinkedIn also have a lot of details and features. I don't want to engage more in it. I just want to introduce what is LinkedIn and how you can use it professionally. Okay, so I hope that was informative and useful for all of you guys, and I really appreciate your participation in this workshop. So if anyone have any question, you can ask me. Okay. Okay. So any question, guys? I already finished my workshop right now. If anyone has any question, you can ask. Okay. Abbas, Ghazi, you are welcome. You are welcome, Abbas.
Yeah, thank you very much. on your efforts.
No
Thank you.
problem. You are welcome. Okay, so Amal, thank you very much for all you of guys. Ziha, thank you very much. Also Tamara, thank you for all guys. And this will be available inshallah online as usual on my YouTube channel. You can find it after I will upload this this workshop online, okay? And you will find it on YouTube, and I will share it on our group as well. So it will be all in details with the slides and with explanation as well, okay? So thank you for all. Thank you. I think no one have any question. So I really appreciate your time, and I enjoy talking to you. I enjoy presenting this for you, and hopefully that was very informative for you and helping you to finish your study. And inshallah, you will be after you graduate, you will find a job. If someone who didn't have a job, he could be hired by using this LinkedIn, and to showing you that LinkedIn is very vital software, or sorry, very vital social media that helping you to understand and marketing or promote yourself for employment, even in your country or even on abroad in any other countries as well. Okay, thank you very much for all guys. I appreciate your time, and inshallah I will see you in another workshop. Okay guys,
Thank you.
have a nice day.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you. Thank you, Bashar.